Yeah, good day, my people. We are currently in Ohanku Road. Yes, it's a public knowledge that the governor of Abia State, His Excellency Dr. Otti, flagged off Ohanku Road some months ago. And this is a 6.6 kilometer road which starts at Ohanku by Ngwa Road, terminates around Gunabo, along all around Aba in Chokolo area. This road obviously links to the Ohanku village, which I believe should be Okwa East. Yes, Ohanku should be in Okwa East. So this road, when completed, will link the rural farmers in Okwa East to the main town of Aba, where they will easily come to sell their wares. As you can see, the men of Brass Construction Company, owned by our own engineer Dev Omahe, former governor of Ebonyi State. They are in charge of this road. They are the one constructing Ohanku Road. They are doing a solid job, as you can see. As you can see the level they are at the moment. The road currently have passed yeah, they have gone past Oweraba. They have gone past Oweraba, nearing the termination end of this contract. And everybody can see that they are actually doing a very wonderful and solid work here. Yes, this is one of the roads that will be making a name for our dear governor, because it has been long abandoned, irrespective of the fact that a lot of people came from this area. This is a road to so many great men's village, but this road has been abandoned like it's no man's business. A lot of properties will be recovered along this stretch of road. Properties that have been abandoned to their fates, properties that the people have already given up on. Yes, we believe a lot of businesses, a lot of buildings, and a lot of empty lands will be coming back alive. People will be coming back to claim their properties, courtesy of the completion of construction of this Ohanku Road. Yes. We thank the governor for doing his worst, for remembering Ohanku Road after so many years of rots, after so many years of decay. Yeah, this is good. This is a good one. Aba is gradually coming back to life. Aba that decayed a long time ago due to abandonment is suddenly coming back to life. Yes, stay with us while we have other updates to bring you your way. Thank you and God bless you.